Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can blur moving object using the keyframe feature in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut PC application and I'm going to blur this girl's hair. Okay, first we're going to add the blur sticker to our video. So you're going to go to the sticker and then you're going to search for the blur sensor. Okay, you can choose one of them. I'm going to choose this one. Add the sticker as the layer. Okay, then you're going to adjust the size of the sticker according to the object size. And I'm going to put it here. Okay, and then we're going to use the keyframe, guys. You're going to go to the sticker and then you're going to add the keyframe for the position. Add keyframe to the beginning of the video, and then you're going to adjust the keyframe one by one as the video moving. Okay, and the keyframe will be automatically added. Okay, like this. Okay, actually you can use the motion tracking feature right here, but I prefer the keyframe because the keyframe can give us more accurate result, even though we need to adjust it one by one like this. And okay guys, that's how you can blur a moving object using the keyframe feature in CapCut PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!